Look how beautiful this is. You can't beat this. I don't know why. It's one of my favorites. Yeah, the avalanche that happened was a little bit further than this, right next to these trees, I remember. It was pretty bad. Big rock. Yeah, I remember I was sliding around here somewhere. I was sliding to this edge here. I know, actually, I think it's this edge here. Yeah, because it was exactly where that car is down there. So yeah, I was sliding right here. The avalanche was a little bit higher up. And the vehicle that fell down right down there. Down there. Yeah, this whole area is always the avalanche area. Cheers.